Hey everybody, Ray here, and I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody, and that I hit 100 subscribers yesterday. Was not planning on that. Just kind of started doing this for fun. People started digging it. My friends and family from far away. It's something I get to share with them, but apparently some other people like it too. So I'm going to try to do some more videos, and bear with me. You know, I'm catching up on 20 years worth of technology. The last time I really played with computers and stuff, internet was barely even born, if not born at all yet. I've barely had a smartphone for a few years, so give me some time. But I got some cool stuff I want to do. I did film my entire deer hunt this year, but I'm still reluctant to upload it just because of the YT censorship. You know, it's probably going to be age restricted, there's a kill shot in it. Some cool stuff, but if you want to see it, I might go ahead and do it, and do some ice fishing and some crawl fishing this spring. I'll try to join you in on some of my stuff I do, and let me know. So anyway, thanks for all the subscribers, and share it if you like it, and we'll keep in touch. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Happy New Year!
我买我。
It's a scrape.